Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to section view. So we have this example model and you can go to drawing sheet, click file, new, and I will use this drawing sheet. The next you can create for the general object and I will set into top view. Click projected to projected this object like this. And if you want to create for the section view, you can use this option, cross section, and you can select the objects. I will use the option, this option, to set, and you can click the object. So it will be create the section view. You can click and you can move to drag it. If you want to set into horizontal, you can change in here for arrow orientation into horizontal. And you can select again the objects, click, and you can move to the top. Click again in this object, like this, or you can set into vertical, into here. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to section view. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.